9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 3 times 3, it will be equal to 9, but 9 is not our answer, so this question is wrong. So I have to solve it again by obeying order of operation. So let us, first of all, we have to solve this parenthesis according to PEMDAS rule. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So 9 minus 6 is in the parenthesis, so it will be equal to 3 times 9 minus 6. Now 9 minus 6 is 3, but this step is incorrect because according to order of operation we have to solve multiplication now. So 3 times 9 will be equal to 27 minus 6. If we solve it, we will get 21. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.